Welcome to the amazing digital circus!
Pomni?
Pomni.
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 Hey! Somebody help me! Please!
Looks like our new friend's already abstracted.
Well, I guess we're not all cut out for it.
I don't even remember her name, honestly.
Hey, Pomni, how'd you sleep? Are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? There she is. Hope you're doing all right. I know yesterday was a bit of a doozy.
A doozy.
Oh, don't worry about the whole abandoning me for the exit thing. Kane's got a new adventure today, and judging by what he's been teasing, it seems like it's gonna be a fun one.
Today's adventure is Candy Carrier Chaos! That's right, the Candy Canyon Kingdom's been robbed of their most valuable resource, maple syrup! It's up to you to bring the rotten bandits who stole it to sweet, buttery justice!
An entire kingdom of candy sounds sticky.
Very sticky indeed!
Sounds.
Bubble, you can't say that. I'm testing out a new AI in this one!
New AI. You don't want to mess with the new AI, Zuby?
Yeah.
So, our entire existence here is just.
Why are you all just standing there? The Candy Canyon Kingdom needs you now!
No, thanks. I'm trying to quit.
Wow, Kinger, check out this castle. It's amazing.
They've even got little candy bugs here. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, this place is great!
Look! It's the princess!
But
I like you already. Look, Pomni, we're already friends with the princess.
I'm not a child. You don't have to hype me up.
I assume you've been informed of your mission. The bandits that robbed us use a modded syrup tanker, so we figured the best way to go head-to-head with them is to give you a war rig of your own.
Ooh, violence.
What time period is this supposed to be again?
Here's the key back into the kingdom for when you've secured the goods. I trust you not to let it fall into the wrong hands.
You can count on me, Your Highness.
Oh, please, call me Lou.
I call shotgun. Oh God, is that the horn? Ugh, that sucks. Gangle, you drive.
Farewell.
Do you think your mum's gonna pull through if we get all this back to the village?
No. Oi! Get to comfy, lads. Looks like they've sent someone after us.
All right, Gangle. When we catch up to him, I'll jump over, crawl inside, and shoot him repeatedly until they're unrecognizable.
I feel like that violates some kind of convention.
You're violating my ears with your clapback. Get driving, driver!
You could help out here.
To be assertive. Like this! Ah, that's perfect!
Pomni, take this!
Here it is. All right, Pomni. You just stay like that, and I'll cross over.
Are you kidding me?
Nice going, Pomni. Now I have no bridge.
trouble. My arms aren't short enough to shift the gear.
Ooh, now we're cooking. Aren't you supposed to be submissive and agreeable? Move it!
Hey, quit mucking about and get back up here! Oh yeah, right.
Everyone all right?
Can you repeat the question? I couldn't hear you over the knives.
Do it, or I'll tell Ragatha about the figurine thing. Oh, no more ramming? Guess I have to tell Ragatha about the thing now.
Bonnie, take this!
Hey, Kinger, is that rope attached to anything?
I don't know. Let me check.
I blame you for this.
Why aren't you or any of your crew up here?
Because we are not, NPCs?
NPCs, what are you on about? Where's Mum?
You have a mom? Must be a way to launch ourselves back up, right?
Is everybody okay?
No.
I hope she's all right.
Poor Pomni. How about poor us?
What's that? Do my eyes deceive me? A delicious gift from within the kingdom gates?
Whoa, buddy! We're not food, we're not candy, we're none of that! You don't want to eat us!
I'm sorry.
Who are you, anyway?
I am the Fudge. I ate too many of the delicious townfolk.
You make a great point.
No, bad point!
Your hair looks like licorice.
Jax, stop!
Well, Mr. Fudge, you seem like an upstanding guy with real noble goals. As I was saying, I happen to know a way into the kingdom walls. If you'd be willing to help us out in return.
Hey!
Shut up, licorice hair.
Here, I'll get with this.
That's me. All we need you to do is help us bring some dirty bandits to justice.
I saw the Reaper wink at me.
You wanna try helping out at all?
Suppose I could give it a try. All I ask is that we don't tell the lads about this.
What's your name, by the way?
Gummy Goo.
Wow, that's dumb.
What do you have in mind in terms of getting us out of here?
I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff at the wall here. If this doesn't work, we can try something else. I just realized this might be a little violent.
Gotta say, this is a lot more anticlimactic than I was hoping it'd be.
What were you hoping for?
You know, like one big final battle, bloodshed, death, chaos, whatever.
Wasn't that they fell off or something?
I can't say for sure, but yes, definitely.
It's like the boss to vanish with a clown. Very usual.
Well, that's concerning. I'm more worried she's having another horrible experience.
I remember how long it took for you to adjust.
Oh, yeah. I'm surprised you remember that.
Do you guys have a second truck that flies?
No, we... wait. Yeah.
Down I go.
Couldn't keep it in, could we?
Pomni! Are you okay? Well, what happened?
Yeah, I'm fine. I have a new friend.
Boss, where have you been? We got fudged.
You wanna know? Good to see you, lads.
Why are there 2 bad guy trucks?
Oh, yeah. Suppose it is. Well, you don't suppose my mates here could take this one back to the village, could they?
No,
I'm so unbelievably disappointed right now.
well, maybe there'll be blood, death, and violence in the next adventure.
Ha 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 ha, how wholesome.
This is Gummy Goo. He's gonna come back to the circus with us.
Oh, is that allowed?
His reality was kind of completely shattered.
Let's take this dumb truck to the dumb kingdom, I guess.
Thanks to you brave knights, our kingdom will once again thrive. Farewell. Have fun executing that bandit fella.
Oh, hey, maybe I didn't leave the gate unlocked for nothing after all.
What? I thought he was dead. You still did that?
Okay, wait. You did what now?
Well, love to help you again sometime. Bye!
Welcome back, my little hard-shelled hamburgers.
So this is the circus, huh? I could get used to this.
Oh, looks like one of these guys made it through.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
I know you guys love your NPCs. Could happen. Well, I'm gonna go drink water. It's been a while since I've done that.
Sheesh, I thought he'd never leave.
Kane sometimes likes to reuse NPCs.
Got everything ready.
Hey, you at least want to join us for Kaufmo's funeral? We like to have a little funeral service to remember the people who abstract. This one just got pushed around a bit with your arrival and everything.
It's the least we can do to honor their memory.
Oh man, I always think I'm prepared for these things, but then you set up the picture.
Parasite!